Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best wireless meat thermometer. The TempWise IB0774 delivers wire-free grilling control, dual sensors, and multi-probe monitoring. Let's get started. Product features: simultaneous monitoring of multiple foods. Connect up to 4 probes to one smartphone. You can track multiple meats or dishes at once, ensuring each one hits the ideal temperature without guesswork. Dual sensors in one probe. Each probe has 2 sensors. One measures internal food temp, the other tracks oven or ambient temperature, giving you full visibility in one readout. USDA meat presets. The app includes 23 USDA presets: chicken, beef, pork, lamb, etc. It also includes timers and alert thresholds so you don't overcook or undercook your meats. Food-grade safe materials. Probes are made from food-grade stainless steel and have PEEK handles. These materials resist heat and remain safe for direct contact with meats and high-temperature environments. Real-time graph and alerts. The app displays live temperature graphs and sends notifications when target temps or pre-warning thresholds are reached, so you're never caught off guard. Long battery life and sleep mode. Designed for extended sessions, the thermometer conserves power with efficient battery usage and enters sleep mode when idle, ensuring it's ready when you are. Pros: fully wireless, no cables dragging. Monitor up to 4 probes at once. Dual sensors give full context. USDA presets simplify choices. Safe, durable food-grade construction. Live graphs and alerts in app. Efficient power use and sleep mode. Cons: Bluetooth range may be obstructed. Requires smartphone with compatible app. Probes must be inserted properly to work correctly. No Wi-Fi, Bluetooth only. Only as good as placement of probes. Final thoughts: if you love grilling or roasting and want precise, hands-free control, the TempWise IB0774 is an excellent choice. With wireless freedom, dual sensors, and smart presets, it's perfect for BBQ lovers and home cooks alike. Though it lacks Wi-Fi, its core features remain reliable and efficient. Master your cookouts today. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Best Product for more kitchen tech that enhances your cooking game.